Every drop of watermelon juice begins here, in open fields.
Timing and handling define sweetness.
Only ripe melons are selected. Field checks prevent waste later. Gentle handling protects flavor. Harvest moves continuously.
Volume matters at scale.
Yield is measured before transport. Traceability starts at the field.
The harvest is cleared to move.
The journey begins immediately.
Freshness depends on speed. From farm to facility. Nature hands over to industry.
Next, the melons enter the supply chain.
Transport speed protects freshness. Transport speed protects freshness.
Every load is stabilized.
Conditions are constantly monitored.
Heat exposure is minimized. Scale demands coordination. Agriculture meets industry.
The destination is near.
Arrival is controlled.
Verification ensures traceability. Raw material enters the system.
Flow is pre-designed.
Volume arrives continuously.
Human coordination still matters.
Precision prevents damage.
The transfer is about to begin.
This is where fresh fruit becomes liquid refreshment. Intake never stops. Flow is continuous by design. Gravity assists efficiency.
Human eyes provide the first filter.
Only suitable fruit continues.
The environment now changes.
Hygiene is enforced at every entry. Scale defines modern processing.
Space is optimized vertically. Order replaces randomness.
Every movement is monitored. Data guides the process.
Flow adapts instantly. Next comes thorough cleaning. Cleaning begins with controlled abrasion. Every surface is exposed.
Waste is separated immediately.
Gentle motion completes the wash.
Microbial risk is reduced. Dry surfaces improve cutting accuracy. Technology evaluates every fruit. Uniformity improves efficiency.
Human judgment remains vital.
Only optimal fruit proceeds. Weight consistency matters. Weight consistency matters. Cleanliness is confirmed. Preparation is complete. Transformation is about to begin. Cutting begins the real transformation. Precision reduces waste.
The fruit's interior is revealed.
Only juice-rich flesh remains. Byproducts are redirected, not discarded.
The juice source moves forward.
Cells break, juice escapes. Liquid volume increases. Seeds are removed early. Nothing interferes with purity. Texture is refined. Clarity is improved.
The juice is now contained.
Flow remains controlled.
The core process is complete. Pasteurization begins the transformation. Controlled heat preserves flavor while killing bacteria. Flow ensures every drop is treated. Rapid cooling locks in freshness. Clarity is achieved naturally. Enhancements are measured precisely. Texture is perfected. Even distribution ensures consistency. Homogeneity is key to flavor. That is the Melon. Every batch is quantified. Safety is non-negotiable. Blending ensures every bottle tastes identical.
Chemical balance guarantees flavor.
Transformation is complete, ready for precision packaging. Next, the juice takes shape in bottles.
Automation ensures speed without compromise.
Accuracy starts at positioning. Consistency is maintained with precision. Sensors catch what the eye might miss. Capping is precise and continuous. Sealing preserves freshness. Brand identity is added with care. Every bottle is visually perfect.
Flow is balanced to avoid bottlenecks. Flow is balanced to avoid bottlenecks.
Integration between lines is seamless.
Automation handles heavy lifting safely. Safety is integrated into every step. Foreign object detection ensures purity.
Synchronization keeps production fluid.
Centralized control monitors every detail.
Every bottle is scrutinized before leaving the line. Precision technology catches any anomaly. Seals are verified for freshness. Consistency is non-negotiable. Appearance matches quality inside.
Temperature monitoring protects integrity.
Every cap is checked twice.
Air content is monitored for quality.
Precision ensures smooth transition. Packaging begins with perfect form.
Automation ensures alignment.
Sealing locks in freshness.
Traceability is finalized.
Preparation for shipment begins.
Automation handles heavy loads efficiently.
Every batch passes through rigorous testing.
Samples represent every bottle.
Acidity and sweetness are precisely measured.
Pathogens are eliminated from the equation. Visual quality is standardized. Texture consistency guarantees a perfect pour. Digital records secure accountability.
Human senses complement technology.
The finished product is scrutinized one last time.
Supervision ensures adherence to standards.
Environmental control preserves quality. Random checks catch unseen errors.
Safety meets taste.
Only approved batches proceed.
Quality control completes the assurance loop.
Packaging transforms juice into shipment-ready units. Automation ensures efficient stacking. Secure wrapping protects the product. Traceability is maintained to the last carton.
Warehouse storage keeps products ready and safe.
Organization maximizes space.
Inventory awaits distribution.
Dispatch is carefully coordinated.
Preparation for shipment begins.
Every pallet is handled carefully for delivery.
Products are secured for the journey ahead.
And this is how modern factories produce watermelon juice from start to finish.
Distribution begins the final stage.
A complete system of production, packaging, and dispatch.